Once there was a girl named Ella who had a special love for flowers. She lived in a small house with a little garden that she cared for all by herself. Every day after school, she would rush home, change into her comfy clothes, and spend hours tending to her plants. Ella had planted all kinds of flowers: roses, tulips, daisies, and even bright sunflowers that reached up to the sky. Her favorite flowers, though, were the delicate blue forget-me-nots. She had a little patch of them in the center of her garden. They were tiny, but they always stood out because their blue color was so unique, just like Ella's favorite shade of blue. One sunny afternoon, Ella was watering her plants when she noticed something unusual. It didn't look like any of the other plants she had planted before.
It was shorter, with leaves that curled slightly at the edges, and it shimmered softly in the sunlight.
Ella was curious and decided to take extra care of this new little sprout, wondering what kind of flower it would grow into. Days turned into weeks, and the sprout grew taller and taller. Ella watered it every day, talked to it like she did with the other flowers, and made sure it had plenty of sunlight. Eventually, one morning, Ella woke up and went outside to find something amazing. The mysterious sprout had bloomed into a beautiful flower. But it wasn't just any flower. It had petals that sparkled like diamonds and changed colors, depending on how the sunlight hit them. Ella had never seen anything like it. She named it Starblossom because the petals reminded her of the night sky full of twinkling stars. She was so proud of her unique flower, and soon people from the neighborhood came to admire it too. But to Ella, the starblossom was more than just a pretty flower. It reminded her of how much love and care she put into her garden and how something special can grow when you're patient and kind. Every time she looked at it, she felt proud of herself for creating a place full of life and beauty all on her own. From then on, Ella's garden became a magical place for her, where every flower had a story, and every new sprout was a reminder of the joy that comes from taking care of something with love.